Hi everyone, welcome to GDS Education. Today I am going to discuss on a topic called SKU rationalization. Most of the supply chain managers and operation managers are tracking their lean operations in order to eradicate the inventory. By doing this, they are leveraging their space in their warehouses. Big brand companies are elevating their performances and efficiencies with the help of SKU rationalization. So what is SKU rationalization? It is a process by which you decide which product you need to keep in the store and which product you need to discontinue or phase off. By doing this, you can easily leverage your revenues by reducing the cost. At the same time, you can deal with a single supplier. So here are some of the methods you need to be followed in order to implement the SKU rationalization. In context to this, the first is the adapting of the new decisions at a meaningful level. A growing number of businesses and sellers are implementing category tactics such as product variety on a store by store basis. This means they are making different brands at different store. By doing that, the development shows to be highly precise. This is not at all time compulsory to accomplish such a desired functional impact, which further impacts your financial aspects. And the second one deals with the considering the marketplace product accessibility. As a seller or a retailer, you ought to recognize and understand the product availability within the store trading areas to make a better and ideal decision relating to your SKU assortment. With this, you can ensure your offerings as a selection of consistent and competitive products with alternate shopping channels. Third one is forecasting, switching and cannibalization. As a retailer, you have the capability to precisely predict brand switching and sales cannibalization, which would help you throughoutly understand the financial impact of the production rationalization decision before executing such additions to your catalog. And the final one is the visibility to product carrying cost versus incrementality. Seller ought to be discovered the best point on their cost or the profit curve, which motivates the best beneficial outcome for their businesses. Considering the law of diminishing returns will produce excessive cost or lost profit at all time, but on the curve. SKU rationalization can dramatically influence your business both positively and negatively. So these are all the 4 tips you need to be followed in order to implement the SKU rationalization. So by this I want to conclude that as observed from many business point of view practically, I found that implementing of these 4 techniques, SKU rationalization, can leverage your revenues by reducing the cost, and at the same time they can increase your efficiencies in all aspects. Hope you understood this. For further details, subscribe to Grand Ram Health Services Private Limited. Thank you, one and all.